everyone, my name is SAHREEN DHINGRA. I am 9 years old and I study in grade 5. I am learning app development course from Tinker Coders from last 1 month and I am doing level 1. I have created an app on MIT App Inventor. Now I would like to explain how the app works. The name of my app is Welcome 2024. On the main screen we will see a big Christmas tree and 3 gift boxes. Now I am going to show you what each gift box contains. Firstly, we will open the red box and see what is there. So in the red box there is a joke. What do snowmen like to do on New Year's Eve? Did you get the answer? It's chill out. Now we are going to go on the main screen once again. Now I am going to show you what's inside the golden box. So there's a quote inside the golden box. So the quote says, "Let's toast to yesterday's achievements and tomorrow's bright future. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." So there are 3 buttons arranged in the horizontal arrangement. This button goes back to the main screen, the back button. The resume button will start the music again and the stop button will stop the music. So now I am going to make you hear the music. Now we'll go back to the main screen. Now I'm going to show you what surprise is there in the blue box. Surprise inside the blue box. It's a game. Let's see how this game works. So the SpongeBob is trying to eat the candy. Let's go down. So now I'm going to go back to the main screen. I hope you like the app. I would like to wish you all a wonderful year ahead. Thank you so much for watching the video.